Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce the TreeLen Broom with Dustpan Combo Set, a game changer for your home cleaning routine. This innovative set features a stand-up dustpan with a long handle, adjustable between 40 and 52 inches, making it perfect for both short and tall users, and eliminating the need to bend over while cleaning. The high-quality bristle construction of the lobby broom ensures it won't absorb water, offering a longer life and making it suitable for heavy-duty indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. The dustpan locks in an open position for easy disposal of debris, and its rubber lip ensures a flush fit with the floor, so all dirt goes straight into the pan without any spills. Plus, with built-in scrapers and combs, you can effortlessly clean pet and human hair from the broom, keeping it in top condition. When you're done, simply snap the broom and dustpan together for easy stand-up storage, saving space in your home, kitchen, or office. Upgrade your cleaning tools today with the TreeLen Broom and Dustpan Combo Set and experience the convenience and efficiency it brings to your cleaning tasks. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.